Okay, here is an overview of the final exam. I've used it before. I did see an error. I had a thing about developing a personal marketing plan, but I think that was a typo. I meant personal learning network. So I apologize for that, and I'll put that out as a separate memo. The final exam, I just finished reading this book by Ken Bain, and it was really a good book about what the best college teachers do. And it hit me between the eyes because this guy argued that every course should have one big overall issue or question. So part one of this essay is to you in 500 or more words, Times New Roman, please. Paginate, please. What is the one big issue you see this course having addressed to you and what you want to do in your personal professional development? That's all. It'll be different for everybody. And here I've got the word audacious for you. I have some requirements for you of what you can use in your essay. And there's the assessment rubric. Over here is your personal learning network, which you began earlier in the course. And so I've got some questions there about your PLN and the assessment rubric there. So there you go. It's due after Thanksgiving, and I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to reading them.